Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite make-ahead salads. This creamy broccoli cauliflower salad is fresh, crunchy, and full of flavor. It comes together in just 10 minutes. Perfect for barbecues, picnics, potlucks, or an easy side dish to enjoy with dinner. Start by popping broccoli florets into, you can either use a large bowl or I've popped mine into a meal prep container, which it just makes it easy to grab and go. So I've chopped half a broccoli into bite-sized florets, and then I've added in half a head of cauliflower that's also chopped into bite-sized pieces. Finally, chop a quarter of a red onion and add it on. The onion adds a lovely sweetness and a little crunch to the salad. Next, grate over the zest of a half a lemon to add some lovely citrus, bright, fresh flavors, and then also squeeze over the juice of half a lemon. You can do it over a sieve if you want to. I did it into a spoon so I could just make sure any pips were caught and didn't find their way into the salad. Give it all a good toss through to get all those flavors incorporated. And then it's just a matter of adding a little bit of salt and freshly ground black pepper if you'd like to add a little more flavor to the salad. And for the dressing, I'm adding a half a cup of sour cream. You could swap it for mayo or Greek yogurt if you want to. And then it's just a matter of stirring it all through together to get all those lovely flavors incorporated. And I'm adding some cheese to mine as well. And I like to add a little bit in to mix through and then topping the rest with cheese. So go for about a quarter to a half a cup of cheese at this point, and then at the end you can add another sprinkling of cheese to finish off your salad. Feel free to adapt the recipe to your tastes and dietary requirements. You can add a bit of crispy bacon, some chopped walnuts, sunflower seeds, handful of dried cranberries for extra flavor and texture. I just love topping mine with cheese and having this lovely creamy, cheesy broccoli cauliflower salad, which as you saw is ready in under 10 minutes. The full printable recipe is linked below, along with lots more easy salad recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.